We get this question a lot. Do you fold or do you hang? Well, it depends. It depends on how you're using your space and what your preferences are, how you wear your wardrobe. Me personally, I don't wear a lot of t-shirts, but I do like to wear them when I'm going on a business retreat. So here I have a drawer that's full of all my t-shirts and they are folded, okay? They're folded in such a way, they're actually folded in groups. So I can take out this group and see, okay, which one do I want to wear? Which one do I want to take and pack with me? And then that's what I do. Because I'll show you with this next drawer, it's the fold itself that creates the bulk. So all those bulky sweaters, if you fold them just one time with the arms in, well, I guess it's 2 times. So we're gonna fold it once, tuck the arms away, and then lay it flat. That reduces the bulk, and you can get way more sweaters in your drawer when you don't fold them in half like you maybe would if you were folding towels and making them all nice and pretty. But for storage purposes, the least amount of folds, the better. You can get so much more in there. And now there's also the idea of rolling versus folding. These are leggings for these cold Omaha winters, and they're folded partially and then rolled the rest of the way, and I can tuck them and I can see them better. So I like rolling those leggings. I have socks, panties. I have this little drawer that all my little loose buttons, like the clothing that comes with extra buttons in case you lose one, I like to keep them right here in this drawer. Okay, what else? Hanging. I hang some dresses because they fall off the hangers. I have these beautiful African wraps, and if I were to put them on a hanger and hang them as a dress, they would fall off and it would make my closet messy. So what I've done is I folded them once, sometimes twice, and then I lay them over a pants hanger. So these are all of my African dresses all in a row. So colorful and beautiful. I love seeing the color. That leads me to one more point that I want to talk about today, and it's how you hang your clothes, how you organize them. So I organize them by color and by category. So here I have all of my tops, but I've even put in my jackets with my blouses, coats, and my gym. You know what? Let's go back to the point of when to hang. I hang my gym clothes because I use them every single day. So instead of having my gym clothes folded and put away in a drawer, I actually have them hanging. And so I have like 6, 7 sets, one for every day of the week, right? And then we have pants and we have long hang. And those two are put in a pretty little rainbow and color coordinated. So I hope you enjoyed the tips. We have a couple more coming.